This tutorial is going to go over how to modify quiz settings with differentiated release conditions with Canvas. Starting on the home page of my test course, I'm going to go to my left-hand column and go to quizzes. And what I'm going to do is change the settings for my test student for week 2 quiz. So once I click the week 2 quiz, I can go up to the corner to moderate this quiz. So I've already set everything up for my students with the quiz, but I want to modify the settings for one of my students. And as you can see, as I'm moderating the quiz, I only have one test student in the course. However, you can select whichever student or students are signed in your class that you need to make adjustments. So what I'm going to do is with test student, I'm going to hit this little pin on the right hand side. So as you can see, it will allow me to give extra attempts or extra time for every attempt. So I have it set for everyone for 60 minutes, but if I wanted to, I could change it to 120 minutes. And now you see under the moderations, I do have the extra time allotted under the student's name.